Hey, welcome back to Always Learning. What we're doing today. Today I'm going to show you if you always carry a tarp, doesn't have to be this big, and some paracord in your car, you always have a wheelbarrow. Today I'm going to be moving some rock. I'm actually going to use my mower, but you don't have to. You just take your tarp and you spread it out. And you can actually double it up if you want. If you want to make it a little sturdier, that's probably what I'm going to do. And then all you're going to do is you're going to run your paracord through your grommets like this. Find one end, run it through, like that, and simply tie whatever knot you want. Tie a double knot, tie a bowman's knot if you know how to do that, and then you don't actually have to. It's just easier when it comes undone. Double knot it, it doesn't really matter. Okay, you're gonna tie that. You're gonna come over here, you're gonna do the same thing. Just depends on how much cord you want. You can do one through the center and you can pull it and drag stuff. I'm gonna loop the other end through my eye on my mower. Probably only gonna use this much. Find another eye somewhere that matches up. There we go. I'll just make a couple of trips if I need be, but you can loop that through and then simply tie it off if you don't want to use all the cord that you have. Okay, then I'm just going to come back and go ahead and just double it up over here just for ease of use. Go back through. Tie this off. All right. All right. Now I've got two cords. One cord doesn't really matter, and I'm just going to find the middle. Come back in here, loop it through the eye hole here, and simply tie it off. The knot will be the pressure. But if you don't have a mower, you can simply loop it, make two holes, and then you can just put it behind your back like this if you wanted to. And simply drag it. If you want to throw stuff in there and then make it more like a big slingshot and pull it that way, you can, or you just stack it on top, let the weight hold it down and drag it either way. But just making a wheelbarrow out of a tarp and some paracord, and then you take it and throw it back in your car. Okay, so I might have gotten the load a little too heavy with the rocks, but if you're just pulling, a couple bags of mulch or soil around, probably not that bad, or probably need a thicker tarp. Maybe this is a really old tarp, so we will see if it works. I'm gonna try to pull out a little slower. Okay, I'm gonna have to get a lighter load, but the wheelbarrow will still work. Just have to use. It's too tight for that. Keep it still. Okay, I'm going with the lighter load. Got a new tarp, smaller tarp, same setup though. All right, let's see how she does. So blue side is where you want your stones, and then silver side is going to be the outside. That's just how I set it up. Or you can flip it like now. Silver side's in, blue side's out. There we go, ready for takeoff. That's it. Thanks for watching how to make a wheelbarrow out of a tarp. There you go. There's your wheelbarrow all ready to go back in your car.